I just want to share this as well. Um, because I'm a deliverance minister, so I cast out demons and I do inner healing, which is the healing of the soul. Okay. I just wanted to share this because some people 35 years plus, these people are so damaged, because I work with him, to heal the state of their soul. Because Christian people, oh my goodness, some of these people's parents did a horrible job raising them, because the way that these people are damaged, the state of their mind. Some of these people are in a state of delusion where they can't tell the difference between what is reality and what is fantasy. Okay, goodness gracious. I do understand that some people's parents they did the best with the information that they had at that time. Okay, but there's no emotional regulation. People don't know how to identify their emotions. They don't know how to control their emotions. Okay, that is why God told me don't only focus on casting out the demons, take the people through counseling, inner healing, the healing of the soul. Okay, like I said, some of these people, the Lord was also showing me their cognitive ability. Okay, they don't have critical thinking skills.